That is 1063 Bradham 43.
Just past 30.
Okay, more speed of traffic. I'm getting up behind you.
There we go, that's all.
Taking 40 east.
Temple 40 east.
Acknowledge that, catch up to you.
Spring Hill.
I risk it.
Hands up! Get your fucking hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands up! On the ground! Get your fucking hands up! Now! Get on the ground! Crawl to it! Crawl! Crawl! All this way! Crawl! All this way! You better crawl! I will fuck you up! Crawl! Down! Arms out to the side! Arms out to the side! Nope. Put your hands!
Please don't be aggressive. I'm being they try to take everything from me, sir. Please, I got a jar in there.
Chill out! Chill out!
I'll tell you everything I understand. You can call me for it and everything.
I can, sir. I don't got nothing but a jar of weed in there, and I'm being as honest as I promise to the king. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry for this on rules you got to me. Please, that's all hard me.
I don't want no harm. I've already been in jail for no reason. That's my motor card, and I really want to come to be here. I got a jar of weed in there, and that's it. That's it. And did you find anything else? It's whoever stole this car from me. Yes, sir. And all the other stuff.
You hurt?
Yes, sir.
Where you hurt at?
I get hurt every time y'all arrest me for no reason.
Well, you didn't get hurt this time. All we did is make you crawl on the ground.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to be no aggressive, no run for y'all to know. I had to understand what the hell was going on. And that took my...
Well, you ran. That's why you got pitted out.
But the thing was, I gotta listen. I'm telling you ahead of time now before you even get mad. Listen to me real quick. Listen to me real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the courts. Do you understand your rights? You can take everything in the car. I got a jar of weed in there and everything. I'm not running from y'all to noon. You were running from us. You see where your car's at right now? You ran from us. No. All right, let's put me in there. I want to be as honest as I can, like I've been doing. Y'all arrested me.
You got an ID on you?
Let's say they took it for no reason.
Who did?
The Jacksonville officer. It's like a damn. Yeah, I only got weed in there. That's it. It's in that jar right there in my PlayStation. But it's like a. Yes, sir. It's like a goddamn. Let's have the Rico. Let's have the Rico. It's like a. Because the police is involved as well, sir. That's why I'm panicking and shit. I just couldn't get the damn paperwork together. I didn't just let my mama ain't get the grief or nothing. I come with the guy, I'm not running for no shit or nothing. I got a whole jar of weed in there. And I'm being as under as I can. Do me a favor and quit saying you weren't running from us. I wasn't. That's why I told you I had the weed. That's why exactly why I told you I had the damn weed. And if I got anything else, that's why I'm just honest as hell this car. Have a seat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, I went aggressive trying to fight or nothing.
You're good.
I Don't run me.
Just chill out.
Just don't run me.
All right. Huh? He said he got a jar of weed in there. That's all he keeps saying. I ain't running.
I did, yeah.